Okay, today we're here at the picnic tables between Knott Sprayer Farm and Suck City, and I'm here to try these pork rinds, and they're hatch chili flavored. So it's a limited edition pork rind from, let's see, company's name is Southern Recipe, I guess. Southern Recipe. They do small batches. Oh, come on. Oh, there we go. And I found these at the World Market. Oh, these are huge. Look at that. Looks like a piece of fried chicken. Bigger than a chicken nugget. Ooh. You can smell the spices on it. Okay, it has chili powder, garlic powder, hatch chili powder, and then other spices. But hatch chilies they're like almost exclusive to New Mexico. And there's like a season where they kind of like harvest them, and then after you harvest them, you like roast them, and they're kind of a mild chili, so you know it's not really that hot, even though it looks spiced. This one's a huge piece too. It's like a curled up one. Yeah, the pork rinds or chicharrones are very crunchy. She's looking at me, or she's looking at me. There's a chicken that's roaming around here and she's looking at me like, give me something. Let's see, no carbs, or actually 1 gram of carbs, and only 4.5 grams of fat. 70 calories per serving, and there are 7 servings in here. So 1 serving is, since these are so huge, 1 serving's like maybe a few of these. Oh. These are a nice flavor. So if you want chicharrones that are just a little bit flavored, very crunchy, very large too, but not so. I've had some chicharrones where they're so hard and crunchy, it almost like almost have to bite down, you know, real hard. This has a nice easy crunch. These pieces are just so big, I would not have been able to fit that one in my mouth at one time. So I don't know if anybody else is carrying this besides World Market. I don't know where it comes from. Ohio. So maybe in Ohio you can get it. These are good, I like them. So I'm going to give them, I think I'll give them an A, because they do have the hatch chili flavor. Got a nice crunch for the chicharron, and they're huge. So, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.